Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, and that means we have a review. Let's see who this bag is from. Alright, we have cross stitch kits. There's 2 of them, and these are from DIYChoose. And it took a month to get here, so I don't know what's going on. I mean, that was kind of like the tail end of, what do you call it? New Year's and all that, and yeah. Sorry, I needed a drink. A little dry today. Alright, so the first one is a 14 count. It's a Joy Sunday wannabe. And let me get this out of the bag. It comes in the lovely bag. Instructions on the back. How to start, how to end. And also the bags are reusable. And they're very durable, so you can keep your project in it. You don't need to purchase another bag. Let's flip that over. This is called 4 Seasons. And I thought it was just kind of plain and simple. It's 33 by 33 centimeters. And it was $7.39. So I liked it because of this lacing effect. So I wanted to see if that was actually in the cross stitch. So as we progress, I guess we'll find out, right? So yeah, isn't that cute? It's just real cute and simplistic. Let me turn this over so we can see what's going on. It has back stitch, French knot, and full stitch. So there are no half or quarter stitches. This paper pattern will not match the canvas. It has its own separate little color key. There are 30 colors. So we have 310 and B5200. I'm assuming that that is for the background. And it is a full coverage. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Lots of back stitching. But let's take a look at the colors first before we get to the canvas. It does come with 2 needles. And this number 2 is it's a kind of a gray tone. It's probably going to be your background, because there is a lot of it. And there's more number 2s right here. So you have pretty much close to a hank of background color in that gray. Lots of lovely colors, yellows, oranges. Got some, I don't know what color that is. Number 5. It's $4.98, so it's kind of a mulberry red, if you will. It's redder than, not redder, it's kind of got a pink tone to it. Does that make sense? There's your B5200. And you got tans and browns and the white. So it'll be interesting to see how this all stitches up. Let's take a look at that canvas. So like I said, it's not too big. It does have the product numbers that are on the front. And you're going to stitch that whole background, but let me look at something. Yeah, all of that is back stitch. Let me see if I can get that open. That lace part I was telling you about, it's all back stitch. You put it in on top of that gray tone in the B5200. Yeah, that'll be interesting. Can you say bit off a little more than I can chew? Yeah. But nice square little pattern here. Let's see. It is serged all the way around, Joy Sunday fashion. It is 13 inches across, 33 by 33 centimeters or 13 inches. Actual picture size is about pretty close to 10 inches by 10 inches. It's 140 by 140. Has a nice key that runs all the way down here. These are your French knots. These are your regular colors. You turn it. There's more regular colors, and these are your 3 backstitch colors. 310, 739, and B5200. So yeah, I just thought it was interesting. I like the background the best, but man, if I got to backstitch all that, you might as well have stitched, what do you call it? Had this counted. We'll see. Maybe not quite today. Alright, so now we have another one that is a Joy Sunday. This one's a little bit bigger. And it's a 35 by 52. It was $10.09. Sorry, my nose is all stuffed up today for some reason, and I'm not sick. It's just, I've had the heaters running, and when they're blowing right at me, it dries everything up. Isn't that cute? Oh my god, I love it. The little tower thing with, looks like a old-fashioned Singer sewing machine, but look at all the keycats. And they're playing with the yarns and the threads and the buttons, and they're just getting into all kinds of things. It says the kitten beside the sewing machine. 2. But yeah, I just love this. And it's going to have back stitching, you know, in the cats. But, and like maybe around like the shelves or something. But yeah, not much of anything. Let's take a look and see how many colors are in this one. Okay, this only has full stitch and back stitch. It's 154 by 240. They have broken it down. So, yeah. I just thought it was cool. You got 310 black. You got B5200 in there. And no 939, no 823. No 666 red. The colors are kind of muted, if you will. But we'll look at them here in a second. Very nice pattern. It won't match your canvas, though. I mean, you can look to figure out where you're at and what you're doing, especially for the back stitching. But the numbers and symbols is what I mean won't match. So, yeah. Let's take a look. And this is a partial. Let me see here if I can string everybody out. So there's not a huge amount of threads. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful colors. You got blues over here, yellows, golds. Got kind of a khaki green in a lighter and a darker. And look at that blue. Isn't that pretty? And then, of course, your 310 black. Yeah. Just beautiful. So we'll see how that all goes. There's quite a bit of that black, but you're going to use a lot of that in the back stitching. So that's fine. That's fine. Let's take a look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. And it kind of goes up, you know, long ways this way. It does have the name of it. And the 2 product numbers that were on the front of the paper. Very nice fabric. Lots of that green. So this right here is B5200, that green. So most of the cats have lots of white in them. And that purple, of course, is your black. So yeah. This would be easy to stitch, but the back stitching is going to catch you in the end because you're going to have to define all the cats. You know what I mean? Has a nice key running along the bottom here for your regular colors. 25 colors there. And then you have 3 colors for your back stitching. So yeah, I thought it was cool. I just loved it. And it's a partial. And it's 14 count. So that makes it like everything is go, go, go. Because I don't know. I'm kind of shy about 14 count full coverage. So we will have to see. 48. Oh, nope. I'm sorry. 52 centimeters total by 36. Actual picture size is 28 centimeters or 11 inches by 44 centimeters and 17, about 17 and a quarter inches. So, yeah. So it's not too big. Like I said, the back stitching is going to be the majority of it. You just go and put your colors in, and then back stitch is going to make it. Very nice. Very nice. And it's nice and smooth. You know, it's what I like about Joy Sunday canvases. They're smooth feeling. They're not rough. And it's fairly lightweight canvas. I don't see any smears. Nothing wrong with this canvas. And it's very easy to read and simplified. So, yeah. So I really like those two. Now, DIYChoose usually has free shipping on orders over $39. If they have any specials, I'll put them down in the description. They do cross-stitch, diamond painting, beaded cross-stitch, embroidery. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. They also have paint by numbers. So they have tool crafts for the major three. And they also do custom. I'm not sure, you know, in which thing they actually do custom in. Sometimes it's just cross-stitch or it's just diamond painting. So you'll have to check that out for yourself. And they also have accessories, lots of accessories. And they usually have really, really good prices. So do check them out. Thank you, DIYChoose, for sending me these beautiful little kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.